Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I'm going to do a little Colourpop palette today called Peach Out. It's got some really pretty, like orangey, peachy, obviously by the name, but colors here. It's one of their 9-pan palettes. As you can see, these are usually about $14. It's 2023 right now. They may go up. I got this from Target. Colourpop just started having their makeup in Target, and of course it worked on me. I've had this for quite a while, but I haven't gotten around to swatching it. I'm going to put a concealer over top because this is not going to pop very well with my skin tone. This is called Smith & Colt Canceled, which is probably why it's not made anymore. So I'm going to just put this on my arm first, just to kind of make the base, consistent. It's kind of leaking, so I want to use this up, so I've just decided to use this one. Here we go. Okay, hopefully these show up. The first one is called Peach Me. It's a very pretty, I guess I call it a shimmer. I love this kind of texture. It's like a matte with just a little bit of glitter in it. It's just, I don't know if it's going to come off on my arm, but it's just this perfect little peachy color. Next one is called Juice Box. Wow, I'm seeing a lot of pink reflect in that one. It looks white in the pan. It's kind of a duochrome, to be honest. I don't know why I wouldn't be honest. The next one's called Gal Pal. It's a matte. Looks a little flaky in that, but it's buildable, and these are pretty nice. I get a little bit of fallout with them. Okay, next one is called Ready or Not. It's a little more orange than the last one. It's like a darker terracotta than this one. This one looks more salmon now. The middle one is called On Vacay. It's hard to read the font over there. This is just a very pretty medium orange shimmer. And then Get Cheeky is next. These two are looking the same in the swatch, but this one is definitely darker in the pan. Next one is called Go Getter. It's the darkest one. It's a warm brown. It's got a little red in it. But it's probably, for lining your eye, or I don't know, doing the darker parts of your look. Next is Not So Basic, and it's a salmon shimmer instead of matte like the others. Sorry, I'm always running out of room here. I don't know what's going on. And the last one is called Peach Tea. It's a burnt terracotta matte. So these showed up a little better than I thought. They were a little darker than I thought, except for like up here. This one's really blending in, and it's probably my favorite. So it's a nice little palette. I mean, it's orange and pinky leaning. It's very pretty together. So maybe it's something you're looking for. It's still there on Target. I saw the other day. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.